Good afternoon, Kevin, and thank you for your time today. We understand KR Industries Network is critical to the success of your business, better yet, delivering healthcare to patients. Obviously, we all realize if your network is having issues or is down, your business stops. However, more likely are the times there are intermittent issues. Seems like every time everyone blames the network. How many times have you heard, it's the network, check the network? Now the fire drill starts. Guess who's the fireman? You must prove it's not your network. Check your router, reboot, ping this server, that server, call your WAN provider, etc. You must prove it's not the network. By the way, the real issue isn't being addressed. Or if it is the network, which rarely occurs, identify what the issue is. Does the carrier know? How do I know they know? What's the status? All items you must have to be successful supporting your organization. What about at the end of the month or quarter and you need to grade your carrier's performance? We call this the school teacher drill. Management only remembers the issues. How would you like to present to your management how well the network is truly performing? Say 99.95%. Or we are saturating the network utilization and we will need to add more bandwidth. Here's a report. In today's world, users such as you demand, and rightfully so, access to information on the services you are buying and using. Why wouldn't a carrier provide this to you? Thus, we are excited to review what Local Fiber Carrier can offer to you to make your life better. Local Fiber Carrier's customer self-service portal provides you instant access on how services are performing. This demonstration will show you our standard portal offering. However, we realize that different customers have different needs, and customers' needs may change over time. Therefore, we have multiple portal product offerings to address those different needs. So then we will show you the advanced portal offering. We'll start with our standard product. Let's log into our business service portal with the standard user and see your view straight away. We will enter the end customer user ID and password. Upon logging in, you have a dynamic real-time dashboard that provides key information regarding the services you are purchasing from Local Fiber Carrier. Details on your services, reporting information, as well as news. We can navigate by panels, clockwise. The top panel, called My Services, shows a summary status of your services and how the services are performing. The next panel shows each of your circuits and the current state of their performance. In real time, you know the status of your circuits. No calls, no emails, no fuss. You see what we see. Plus, there's a news section. This is where we will share upcoming maintenance activities and the new offerings that we have. Then you can easily navigate to the report panel. Here you will have access to our performance. You will have access to reports provided in our standard product. Just click on the report icon and you can access the reports. Here we will provide our performance, and you can grade us. Our standard portal product includes 2 different reports on the service you are using to support your organization and goals. These reports can be user-defined for up to 2 months of historical performance information. In addition, you can self-subscribe to these reports and have them sent directly to your email. This highlights what we provide in our standard portal product, your 24/7 anywhere access to circuit status, performance reports that you can view and share on demand or subscribe to be delivered. Even though it is our standard portal, its value is very extraordinary. Kevin, what do you think about this offering? Once again, you get circuit status, reports, and news updates. Did it look good to you?
Peyton, that was awesome. I like the simplicity of standard, but I have my network team, they need to be able to get detailed network insights. Is that something that we could get with a more premium product?
We realize some clients want more details. They want to be able to delve into what is taking place at what time of day. When is utilization peaking? What is the impact of that to my network service, my organization? Therefore, we have an option that is our premier offering. We can show you in just a couple of minutes. We will now log in with the user ID and password for a client that is using the Premier Portal offering. Just to clarify, everything that is in the standard offering is also included in the Premier, plus much more. As you can see, when we log on, you get a dashboard that has a brand new geo map capability, visualizing where your services are in the network. Many clients keep this on display in their support center for all to see. The map is also fully interactable, displaying circuit status and most recent data displayed. But the real added value is what happens when you click on circuits and reports. Let's go ahead and click on a circuit. Premier shows you the current and historical performance of your circuits. Now you have additional information at your fingertips on all of your services. You can see utilization and latency. Plus, you have live interactive graphing capabilities. Just click over a time frame and zoom in. If it looks whiter, that is because it is. You now have an extra month of historical performance data, 3 whole months. You can do quarterly trending on your services. With the Premier offering, you also have access to additional reports and the same capabilities to subscribe to these reports sent directly to you. Kevin, I really appreciate your time today, and Local Fiber Carrier is very excited to begin working with KR Industries. When can we get started?